Today we're going to learn the specifics and options of the material step. In the material step, you will find 3 submenus: materials, shape, and the zone. In the first submenu, materials, you can choose the materials for each part of your project. Search for the material directly by using the search bar. You can find the materials by color or name. You can also open the catalog with all the material categories. Once the material is selected, click here to apply it to your project. A pop-up assistant will ask you if you want to apply it on all your walls. Each time you click on a wall, an icon duplicate covering appears. You could check the repeat choice icon to duplicate the coverings of several walls. In the second submenu, you will find shapes. Shapes are tools to create complementary elements like beams or slopes. Once your shape is integrated into your project, you can modify its dimensions in the right panel. To quickly change the elevation or orientation of the shape, simply click and hold on the corresponding arrow and move the mouse. When you click on the shape, several icons appear. You can delete, duplicate the shape, duplicate the coverings, or rotate it. By activating the advanced rotation, the shape can be rotated in all directions. To reset your rotation settings, you must click on this button. When you have positioned the shape on your project, you can apply whatever materials of your liking. Finally, the third submenu is dedicated to zones. You have 4 types of zones. The first one is for the ground, to create a specific covering area. The second one is for the walls. For example, the window frame. And the last 2 zones allow to create a horizontal or vertical band on all the facades. The dimensions for each zone can be modified in the right panel. Once all zones have been created, you just have to apply the materials to them. That's it. Now it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any questions. Our support team is always available to help.